how to show when you last talked, important dates, and more on the incoming call screen with the caller on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, open up the phone application. Then tap on the More button. Next, tap on Settings. Now in the call settings page, go down and tap on caller information. Next, make sure you tap on Show Extra Details. Tap on the toggle button and switch it on. Once it is turned on, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. When you have an incoming call, then the extra information will be shown on the screen. For example, your last talk with that person is at 10:30 a.m. In my case here, it shows most recent call is 10:38 a.m. And if you have a meeting with that person, it will also show the calendar event in here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.